Welcome to our channel, the easiest and fastest way to learn Arabic.
مرحبا، اسمي بن. أهلا بك في درس اللغة العربية.
Hi, my name is Ben. Welcome to Arabic class. Do you want to learn to speak Arabic after the first lesson? It is so easy, and it will take a few minutes. Are you ready?
هل أنت جاهز؟ هيا نبدأ.
Let's start. Today you are going to learn the numbers in Arabic language. How to say Arabic numbers from 0 to 10. From 11 to 19. From 20 to 100. Let's start from 0 to 10.
0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10
Now you are going to learn numbers from 11 to 19.
11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19
Now you are going to learn numbers from 20 to 100.
20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100
For the numbers between 20 and 30 or 40 and 50, for example 21, 22, 23 in Arabic, we read them from right side and we put the word wa between the numbers. Wa, it means and. So when you read these numbers, it will be like you say 1 and 20, and 2 and 20, 3 and 20. Let's see how to say them in Arabic.
21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29
Class is over. Thanks for watching.
أشوفك بكرة.